with all the fireworks in the background. Wonderful to see everybody here. Keep coming back and always having a great time together.
Thank you, Julie. And now I'd like to call upon the chair of the Gerard India Bazaar BIA and our vice chair, Mr. Inder Jandu, to say a few words one at a time.
Happy Diwali! Good evening, friends! What a day, beautiful day out there, and especially for our Diwali celebration. Julia, they've always been with us all through whenever we have any occasion to celebrate. As we all know, Diwali is the festival of lights. It's a victory of good over evil. This is what our culture, our heritage shows us.
Here, Diwali has got the biggest significance for Hindus, Sikhs, Jains and other religions. We all are celebrating here today togetherness on this Diwali. Please keep on coming to Gerard India Bazaar and make us happy and you be happy with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'd like to invite Councillor
And especially at times like what the world is going through, everybody needs a little more Diwali in their lives and celebrations with community and family. Happy Diwali, everyone.
Thank you everybody for your gracious presence, and we'll continue this.
Warning, party chaleगी till 6 in the morning. जी भर के नाच ले बेबी, नाच नाच के सो से लट्टी पुलिस बुला लेगी, क्या तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल। मैं जारी जिसको जान गाड़ी चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे आके नाचेगा, नखरे मखरे नाते आए, शर्म तो से आए, माइकल जैक्सन वाले दो दिन एक्शन करके देखा।